Court today have declared the entire panel of 2016, the appointment made by those panels, to be null and void, and therefore all the people who have got jobs, which was the appointment which was given by the 2016 panel, their jobs will be cancelled and they have to return back their salaries as well. And at the same time, the court has also said that a new process for recruitment should start 15 days right after the elections, within 15 days right after the elections. Court has also identified that several irregularities have happened, and the CBI therefore has investigating the case and will continue to investigate the entire matter of SSC irregularity scam and the recruitment irregularity scam. And therefore, the court has also said that the marks have been found, that different marks in the OMR sheet and different marks in the website has been reflected. At the same time, several ranks were jumped, even appointments were given after the validity of the panel had expired.
The TMC, of course, has come out to say that this is a waste of time. The TMC has really not seen any merit in this particular case as far as the investigations have been continuing.
BJP demands that the law should take its own course, and Mamata Banerjee should also face the same fate as the other ministers who have been accused of scams, as this is the biggest scam as per the BJP under Mamata government. Over here is Amit Malviya. He says the Calcutta High Court's judgment on the SSC recruitment scam in West Bengal is massive. Approximately over 25,000 jobs have been declared null and void. It bears open the brazen corruption of Mamata Banerjee's government. Over 51 crore rupees and gold were recovered from the former West Bengal Education Minister Partha Chatterjee's house. The pictures have also been attached by the BJP. He says that this is the same which has happened with other ministers as well. He has listed out Kuntal Ghosh, Shantanu Bandyopadhyay, and he says the chief ministers for similar scams, much smaller in size, have gone to jail. This is undoubtedly the biggest government-sponsored recruitment scam. Lives of millions of youth have been ruined.